Introducing the 2021 Seat Ateca PA 2.0 TTI 150 HP DSG XP in sleek grey. This estate boasts a 2-litre diesel engine with automatic transmission. Loaded with comfort and safety features like satellite navigation, multiple airbags, and collision avoidance braking, you'll drive with peace of mind. Enjoy the luxury of ambient lighting, smart card entry, and roof rails. And with a full health and safety check, manufacturer service, and comprehensive warranty, you can trust in its quality. Don't miss out on this top-of-the-line vehicle. Contact us today or visit our website, spiritmotorgroup.ie, for more details. Drive confidently.